Well, for my first video, I wasn't expecting rain. It's cold, I'm wet, and what I had originally wanted to do, I can't. The weather is not in my favor. So, here's just me walking down the trail. The Lord says, do not despise the day of small beginnings, because even the angels rejoice in heaven over that one small thing. Because you will see the blessing. And all I see right now is mud. But this is the day that the Lord has made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. Rain means spring is coming. Even though there's a little bit of snow still left from past snowstorms, rain is a sign that spring is coming. So, welcome along this journey with me as I try not to get too sloppy here. Oof. Squish, squish, squish. Let's see. Oh, that's where I came from earlier. Let's go this way. Head for the exit. It's too cold and wet and dreary. But if you're still with me, thank you for sticking around. And I might not be the best at creating videos yet, but hopefully I get better. Ah, here's the frozen lake. I saw two geese standing on top of the ice earlier. They are not there now. But life isn't an adventure. There's the other side. My goal with this channel is to bring fantasy and spiritual together, to talk about things in the unseen realm that people often miss or misunderstand, and hopefully I can share my experiences and truth that I have learned, revelation that the Lord has showed me. Oh, there's those two geese. So, hope everyone is having a great day. If anyone wants to talk or would like to ask any questions, to request any sort of prayer, feel free to reach out. Leave a comment below. I am always open to talk. And I'm always here to encourage. Oh man. Oh, there's a bird that just flew up there. Don't think the video captured it. And there's the boat marina. The parking lot. And I'm almost back. Oops. So, I guess on the phone I can't turn the camera around while I'm recording. Alrighty. Whew. Alright, it's cold. I'm starting not to feel my fingers. And one last look at the Delaware River. Alrighty. Alright. Alright. Hello. Hopefully I'm centered right. I have the phone facing away from me. But I just wanted to show my face and say hi. I'm a real person, I'm not AI, and I'm really here to encourage and to share my knowledge and revelation and testimony with you. My name is Lisa. I am Christian, and I hope to talk to you soon.